I'm Patty. I'm going to talk about today. I have like a 3-part series, and this is going to coincide with my August newsletter, which is going on how healthy habits can be really simple and why motivation fades. So August in my world is typically when people are going back to school and you kind of want to get back to routines and those types of feelings. And a lot of times healthy routines kind of fall apart, especially when we're stepping into like August, September, October, and then you have the holidays. And a lot of times in my practice, the holidays is where people think, whatever, I'll just get back to it in January. And so I just want to talk about why healthy routines fall apart and what can contribute to that. There's a difference between motivation and system. So motivation is a feeling, it's emotion. It can come and go. And so if you're relying on that feeling to get started as, oh, I'll do it when I'm more motivated, you could be waiting a long time, or that feeling is not very reliable. So you can't really control your feelings. That is a very intellectual response. Feelings are kind of like the ocean. They just ebb and flow. And a lot of times when someone is very intellectual, they feel like I can control my emotions. And while you can, some call that emotional suppression. So it's not meant to be emotional dysregulation where you just feel whenever, and there's definitely like social appropriateness and things. But with health, if you can build systems that can support your life rather than suppress it, that's going to lead to a longer transformational system. So what a healthy system can look like is you put a water cup next to your bed, or you brush your teeth every morning, or you meal prep on Sunday in an appropriate way, or maybe you just meal prep each night. Maybe it's simple as you have food in the home for a meal that you would like to make, like a protein or a veggie and a starch every night. So it's not necessarily you have it meal prepped in a container, but you have the food that you're going to cook for that night. Perfectionism within healthy routines is if it's not perfect, then I failed. So if I don't exactly eat my meal exactly the way it's supposed to be, then I failed, and I just throw in the towel and I'm just, screw the whole day. And so perfectionism in terms of a healthy routine can overhaul when you are a human and maybe you don't follow the routine exactly the way it's supposed to be. And so then you feel like you failed. So perfectionism is a very black or white type of thinking. And sustainable routines are actually normal responses. There's very ebbs and flows where, say, I had a client that, runs 10 miles a week, 5 miles one day, 5 miles the next day. And just the other day, he got like 2 blocks outside of his door and was like, I can't do this today. I'm going to turn around. And it was just one of those, like, it's not that he didn't get to his mileage. It's just not a good day for me. I just don't feel like it. My knee hurts, my back hurts, or whatever. I'll get back to it next week. And that's actually the more transformational system than beating yourself up and then having this guilty response and then not doing anything the next week. So find a system that is easy enough that is going to allow you to engage in it, not relying on motivation. I hope that helps.